How to find highlight settings on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your highlight settings on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. As you see here, click on your profile icon, click here, and now click your activity. And now you will see here highlights, click on it. And as you see here, you can manage your highlight settings, and that's how to manage highlight settings and find it. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.